Most plumbing business owners think AI is something only tech companies use. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the plumbers who are growing the fastest are using AI to answer calls, book jobs, price work, and follow up with customers automatically. In this video, you'll discover the 9 best AI tools for plumbing businesses in 2026, how they actually fit into your daily operations, and how they help you win more jobs without working more hours. Let's start with the biggest leak in most plumbing businesses. It's not pipes. It's missed calls. When a customer has a burst pipe, they don't wait. Tools like Smith solve this by acting as an AI-powered receptionist. It answers calls 24/7, qualifies the job, and books appointments instantly, so you never lose emergency revenue. But here's the problem. Answering calls is not enough if your scheduling is messy. That's where House Call Pro comes in. It uses AI-assisted scheduling to assign jobs based on location, urgency, and technician availability. So instead of juggling calendars, your system builds the most efficient day automatically. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most plumbing businesses lose money after the job is done because they forget follow-ups. Yubber fixes this by automating invoices, reminders, and review requests. So when Jake finishes a water heater installation, the system automatically sends the invoice and asks for a 5-star review without you thinking about it. Next, let's talk about pricing. Many plumbers undercharge because they guess on the spot. Servititan's AI tools help analyze job history, materials, and market rates to suggest accurate pricing. That means fewer mistakes and more profit per job. Now, imagine this. A customer texts you at night about a leaking pipe. Instead of waiting until morning, AI chat tools like Intercom instantly respond, gather details, and schedule the job. So, by the time you wake up, your day is already partially booked. But here's a small win that makes a huge difference. Marketing automation tools like MailChimp AI or ActiveCampaign send seasonal reminders automatically. Think about it. Every customer gets a winter pipe check message without you manually sending anything. Now let's talk field productivity. Apps like FieldEdge help technicians access job history, estimates, and parts lists instantly. Combined with AI summaries, your techs spend less time reading notes and more time fixing problems. And here's something most plumbers ignore. Paperwork. Tools like OpenAI-powered assistants integrated into CRMs can turn voice notes into full job reports. So instead of typing for 15 minutes, your tech just speaks, and it's done in seconds. Finally, everything connects through automation tools like Zapier AI. This links your CRM, scheduling app, and invoicing system so leads, bookings, and payments flow automatically. So here's the big takeaway. The most successful plumbing businesses in 2026 are not working harder. They are building AI systems that handle calls, scheduling, pricing, and follow-ups in the background. If you set up even a few of these tools, you will notice fewer missed calls, faster bookings, and more repeat customers without adding extra stress. If this helped, hit like, comment your biggest plumbing challenge, and subscribe for more real business growth strategies.